part two of the investment home renovation. This is the inside before and after. If you've already seen the other video of the outside of the property, so you see the kitchen remake here. It was a pretty intense project that took us several months. Hardest part was getting the old tile flooring up, getting a clean surface, installing new cabinets, new flooring. Thought it turned out really great. You got a beautiful granite countertop now, great view looking out of the sink over to the property. Bring in new flooring and then our utility closet. Overall, turned out great. Beautiful cleanup. Got the utility closet again, pantry, got revamped a bit, just a little makeover there. Common bathrooms, full bath downstairs of the remodel, and then the living room cleaned up from the 1977 original build. So it's a great brightening of that great room. Had a little nap time, of course. And then this is installing the LVP flooring that we did on the downstairs, entire common area. Overall, great job there. Upstairs, one of two master bathrooms or full baths that we revamped. New tile and everything, floor, shower around the bathtub, new vanity. Beautiful shower now, along with the bathtub. So overall, proud of that one. Looks great. A lot of work as well, always more than we expect to find. Then the master bedroom, full revamp there. Mostly a cosmetic cleanup of the flooring. And then the master bath we installed and built out an entire new one.